chip. Well, I got you. This is day 7 of using AI as my golf coach. So we worked on short game today, and especially the rule of 12. What is rule of 12, you may ask? I got you. I'll tell you. Rule of 12 is basically a rough estimate of how much a ball is going to roll out if you hit a bump and run. So if you missed a green and you've got loads of green to work with and you want to just bump and run it, but you don't know where to land the ball, or you're not exactly sure how much it's gonna roll out, this will save you so many shots per round. So how it would work is, so 12 would be your like 56, and then it'll go in a descending order. Like it'll go 52 as 11, your 48, which is your pitching wedge, is number 10, 99 is 9, and so on. So let's say you want, so it's rule 12, so 12, and you want to hit your pitching wedge. Pitching wedge is 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. So how that works is it's 1 to 2 ratio. So if the flag is 15 yards away, with a pitching wedge, you can hit that ball 5 yards in the air, and it should technically roughly run out about 10 yards. So that would be the perfect shot. And if you wanted to do the same with, let's say you wanted a 56. So 12 minus 12 is 1. So the carry ratio for 56 is 1 to 1. So you can hit that chip 7.5 yards and it'll roll out roughly about the same. You play these chips, just feed forward and play it like a putt. So that's what we worked with today. That's what we worked on today, not with. I'm gonna add a few little clips, a little chart, and yeah, I felt really confident over that. I've picked like a few different distances. I picked like 15 was the first one I worked on, and I worked with 3 clubs, and then I went on to about 30, and I was really surprised how good the distance control is. So I put like 3 different tees on 3 different landing positions for each club and distance, and I try to land it at that and just watch it roll out. And because you're not using like a high lofted wedge which has a lot of spin, um, and it's not as predictable. Like, don't get me wrong, there is a time and place for a 60, but if you have loads of green to work with, I was just so surprised how many chips went in today, because it's just rolling out for so long, and it's just, if the line is good, I just sang